Now there is a different type of changes in the new policy. Like uh, previously we have 4,000 watch time qualify hour. Now from 1st Feb 2027 we have new updates from 4,000 to 8,000 qualifying watch hour. So let's understand what are new policy updates in the complete video.
For 2 decades, the YouTube Partner Program operated as a reliable engine in the creator economy, providing direct revenue for millions of video makers. In recent years, the platform intentionally lowered the barrier to entry, even introducing a 500 subscriber fan funding tier to help smaller channels start earning early on. On February 1st, 2027, that trend of increasing accessibility stops. The announcement caused immediate concern across the creator community, largely because the requirements to run ads are effectively doubling. While smaller creators are focused on the difficulty of hitting these new targets, the shift is driven by a broader strategy of platform management. YouTube projects they will pay out more total money in 2027 than in 2026. By raising the entry bar, the platform limits the channels eligible for the revenue split, which allows for larger individual payments to the creators who meet the new criteria. For new creators applying, the standard requirement of 4,000 public watch hours moves to 8,000. The Shorts entry path doubles from 10 to 20 million views. The 1,000 subscriber requirement and lower-tier fan funding requirements remain unchanged. If you are already fully monetized and in the partner program before the rollout, your status is locked in. You do not need to meet these higher numbers to keep your current long-form revenue share. YouTube is currently processing over 200 billion daily Shorts views, alongside a billion hours of watch time on televisions every single day. With billions of views occurring daily, the platform has reached an unprecedented scale. The original entry requirements would split the revenue pool into fragments too small to support a career. While long-form creators are grandfathered in, short-form creators face a new ongoing maintenance rule to keep their ad revenue active. Existing monetized channels must maintain a rolling baseline of 10 million qualified Shorts views every 90 days. If a channel falls below that line, its Shorts ad revenue sharing is paused. Your long-form videos will continue earning ad revenue without interruption, even if your Shorts earnings are suspended. Once you cross back over the 10 million view mark, Shorts revenue automatically resumes. To support channels that fall below the threshold, YouTube is launching alternative, milestone-based programs. This includes bonuses for YouTube shopping and targeted incentives for creators who drive new cultural trends. This shift changes Shorts monetization, moving it from a passive income stream into a system requiring a consistent level of viewer engagement. By tightening the entry gates and pausing ad revenue for underperforming Shorts, YouTube is redirecting capital. Much of that money is funding the global expansion of the Premium Lite subscription tier. Premium Lite offers uninterrupted viewing for users, but it is more profitable for creators because it does not include access to the YouTube Music app. A standard premium subscription allocates a 30% slice to the creator pool. By removing music licensing fees, Premium Lite doubles this to 60%. From there, creators receive the standard splits, 55% for long-form and 45% for Shorts. Restricting general access to the program directly funds a higher payout per view for the creators who maintain high engagement at the top of the ecosystem. YouTube is moving away from a model of passive participation and toward a more demanding, lean ecosystem. The new contract terms and requirements do not take effect until February 1st, 2027. This creates a 6-month window for growing channels currently near the original 4,000-hour or 10 million view thresholds. Crossing the 4,000-hour mark right now provides a specific tactical advantage. It secures your monetization status before the entry costs double. Succeeding on the platform in 2027 will require treating content creation as a high-performance business, and the window for easier entry is rapidly closing.